This is sneezeweed. Despite its name, the pollen does not trigger allergic reaction. The powder made of dry leaves was used in the past to induce sneezing and facilitate elimination of the evil spirits from the body. The scientific name of the plant, Helenium, originates from Greek mythology and widespread belief that common sneezeweed started to grow from the ground soaked with tears of Helen of Troy. Common sneezeweed is also known as Helen's flower. Contains compounds that are toxic for humans. Ingestion of large quantities can induce death. Thank you for watching.